Audio is life, and if I do my job well, you won't even notice. My name's Tim, I'm a Foley artist for The Bachelor, and this is my process. I spend most of my time on the kissing scenes. It's hard to get that intimacy and that physicality on location, and that's where I come in. The fantasy suites can be a little challenging. It's not all people making love. I mean, sometimes it's footsteps or hair or somebody riding a camel. I take this personally. If I'm not putting myself in my art, am I even an artist? I don't know if love is real, but I know that the sounds I make of people finding love are very real.
I really gotta fist this melon.